Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial about using YuJa as a student. First off, we will click on YuJa in our course menu, which when it loads will pull up a page similar to this. Yours may already have videos if you've already done so, but if you're a first-time user, it will look something like this where it says that there's no media currently published. YuJa can be used to upload your videos or just regular files. I'll start with showing you the basics of video. To start creating a recording of your video, you'll click on this Create Recording button, and you'll see that there are two options. One is to record from your PC or Mac using its YuJa app, which you can download using that link right there, or you can use the browser capture. I'll start by showing you browser capture, and let's call this sample video. When I click Start, it will open in a new tab of my browser, and you'll see that there are some basic options for how it will record. You may need to allow it to access your camera and microphone, and I have my camera covered, but you would be able to see yourself with this camera on. You could also turn it off if you don't need it for the video. If you need to share your screen or maybe both your camera and your screen, you can see these options up here. One is just for your camera, one is just for your screen, and one will have both. And again, you can have your camera off or microphone off, whichever makes sense for the video that you are recording. For this sample, I'm going to click Start Recording. You'll see that it'll switch to a page like this, and it is doing a little counter down there that's saying how long this recording has been going on. I can pause it, I can delete it if I decide that this was not good. I can also just end the recording if I'm done and want to keep it. When I do that, I can, if it has a video, watch the preview, or if it's just audio like this one, I can push play and listen to it. If I want to keep it in my YuJa, I'll click Upload, and it says that it has finished. So I'm going to close out of this browser tab, and I'm going to refresh this, and it should hopefully pop up right there. That is the basics of how you would do create recording from your browser. If you use the desktop version, again, you'll want to download it. And once it is downloaded, you can open the file and run the installer. Once it's installed, you can have it on that record from your Windows or Mac and click Start and Open Link, which will open the application on your computer. With that, you can see that it is set to currently share my screen, but you can also set it up to share your video, your audio, all types of stuff, and you basically will run through the same recording process as before. Moving ahead, let's look at Manage Media. This is the homepage for your YuJa, and as you can see, that's where you can create folders for your content, upload content, and all types of stuff. When you click Upload, you'll see that there's options to upload an existing video, so you don't have to record through YuJa if you don't want to. If you also want to upload an audio file, a document, all types of stuff, you can click through and select those options. For a document, I'll go ahead and browse, and it should pull up an area where I can select the document, or again, as you can see, you can drag and drop the document if you already have it open. When you do that, it will import it and pull up the thing right there. You can preview it, download it, do all types of stuff from this view. Also with upload, you may notice that you can link to videos or stuff. If you uploaded your video, for example, to YouTube or Vimeo, you can link it directly that way. And that is the basics of using YuJa to create recordings and upload content. If you have any questions, contact CIDT@se.edu.